we have now another problem which is coming up. So your second problem is find the characteristic equation of equation of the matrix A, okay, and the your matrix A is this one. A is equal to 4 3 1, then 2 1 minus 2, and then you have 1 2 and 1, and then you need to go ahead to find it, okay. Hence he says, hence find A minus 1, okay. Now we'll go ahead and find it. So see the solution. Your solution goes like this. Characteristic equation is four minus lambda 3 1, then we have 2 1 minus lambda and minus 2, and 1 2 1 minus lambda, and that makes it what? 0. 4 minus lambda, so we have is lambda, okay. 1 plus lambda, solving it, 1 plus lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 1 plus lambda square minus 2 lambda. Let me erase it and then put it in the proper form. Just a minute. You solve it, see what you get. 4 minus lambda into 1 plus lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 4 minus 3 2 minus 2 lambda plus 2 plus 1 into 4 minus 1 plus lambda 4 minus lambda into lambda square minus 2 lambda, see 5 plus 5, and then minus 3 is your minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 2 lambda plus 4, right? And then you are left with what? 4 1, it is multiplied by 1 only, so that will make it 3 plus 1 lambda, and that equal to 0. Okay, now you go ahead solving the problem, and we get what? 4 lambda square, right, minus 8 lambda, okay. Then you have 2 lambda, this is your 2 lambda, minus 8 lambda plus 20 plus minus lambda cube plus 2 lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 6 lambda minus 12 plus 3 plus lambda is equal to 0. Okay, so minus lambda cube plus 6 lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 11 is equal to 0, or lambda cube minus 6 lambda square minus 6 lambda square plus 6 lambda minus 11 is equal to 0. So we got it. Okay, so by Cayley-Hamilton theorem, Cayley Hamilton theorem, you have a cube minus 6a square plus 6a minus 11i is equal to 0. Now what we'll do is multiplying 1 by a minus 1. Okay, what was our problem? The problem was to hence find a minus 1. So you multiplying 1 by a minus 1. The first equation is this is your equation. This is your first equation. Write like this: multiplying 1 by a minus 1, and then we get, what do we get? We get a square minus 6a plus 6i minus 11a minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, or 11a minus 1 is equal to your a square minus 6a plus 6i. Okay, so that makes your 11a minus 1 as is equal to 4, 3, 1, then 2, 1, minus 2, and 1, 2, 1. So you can write it like this. You have two, it's a square, remember, so you need to have two matrices like this. Okay, 4, 3, 1, 2, 1, minus 2, and then your 1, 2, 1, minus 6 into, now we need to come to down, we need to come down, so minus 6 into, instead of writing it here, let me yes, and then minus 6 into A, you know, minus 6 into A. So what is A? A is your again 4 3 1 2 1 minus 2 1 2 1, and then you have plus 6a 6I. So it's an identity matrix. So it is like this: 1 0 0 0 1 0 and then 0 0 1, and that is equal to that is equal to 23 17 minus 1 8 3 minus 2 9 7 minus 2 plus this minus 24 minus 18 minus 6. Okay, and then you have minus 12 minus 6 and 12, and then we have minus 6 minus 12 and minus 6, and then plus you have an identity matrix 2 6 0 0 0 6 0 and then 0 0 6, and that makes it 5 minus 1 minus 7 minus 4 3 and 10 and 3 minus 5 minus 2. Now we were supposed to find A inverse. Okay, so your A inverse will be your, if you will go ahead, you will see that was 11 A minus. So 11 I minus. So that's why A minus, your A minus will be equal to 1 by 11 and that's your answer. Okay, that's your answer. Let's go to another problem. And your problem is your example number 3 will be, if lambda be an eigenvalue of matrix of a matrix A, it's a non-zero matrix. Show that lambda minus 1 is an eigenvalue of A minus 1, is an value of A minus. Now Let's go ahead for the solution. Let me erase it, a proper thing. There is something, so now we have, see, you need to find out the eigenvalues again. Okay, so the solution goes like this. The solution we have, solution goes like this. We have lambda is an eigenvalue of matrix A. So A into x is equal to lambda x. ठीक है? Okay, where x is an capital X, where x is an eigenvector, is an eigenvector. Okay, now let's go ahead to solve the problem. Is an eigenvector. Okay, pre-multiplying both sides, multiplying both sides one by a minus 1 by a minus 1, we get a minus ax is equal to a minus lambda x a minus a into x is equal to lambda a minus 1 x. So Ix is equal to so 1 by lambda x is equal to a minus lambda x, and that implies that a minus lambda x is equal to lambda minus to the power minus. So hence what happens, you know what was asked, and hence we have lambda minus 1 is an eigenvalue of a minus 1, right? So that brings your proof.